Hi, I wanted to take a moment and show you some content specific technology tools. This one's called Gizmos. Um, so if we go, there's subjects that we can limit ourselves to and grade ranges. Here's the dashboard. So you can set up your classes. We can sync this to Canvas. As you can see, there's a bunch of cases and different things that we can try. So I'm going to choose, let's do the freezing point of salt water. So as you can see here, it goes over what it's going to cover, and we'll launch it in a bit. There's a teacher guide, vocabulary sheet, student sheet as well, all already included. We're going to click launch, and this is what your students will see. As you can see here, we can see our molecules, and if we start adding salts, you can see the molecules are getting interrupted. There's extra molecules in there. Now we can move the temperature and see what the effect is. So the point of this is that basically you're doing a lab. However, you have these extra tools that are visualizing the concepts for students. If you want to do this alongside a lab, you can. If you want to do this independent of the lab, you can also use them. But I do think it's a really interesting tool. Let's look at the math side. So here we have solving equations by graphing. Um, Again, student sheet, teacher guide, all that is already included. I'm going to click launch, and this is what it looks like for your student. So we have, okay, as I move this, what happens to my graph, and I can visualize it right alongside my variables. I have other options to navigate with this, but again, this can be done um, in real time together as a class, as independent students, so that they're able to identify the concept instead of just follow the rules that the teacher gives, which we know is deeper and more permanent learning. So if you're interested in gizmos, reach out to me and I'll help you figure out how to apply them to whatever lesson you're working on or an upcoming lab or concept. Thanks.